Tama Clark Haynes, CEO of the Antiques Diva & Co.
I'm Margaret Schwartz, owner of Modern Antiquarian.
And in this self-guided digital course, we're teaching you the business of antiques. This course has 8 sections and over 50 videos to help you revamp your antiques business or launch a brand new antiques business.
The first section is about how to tackle this course. We'll be discussing things like perfectionism, imposter syndrome, and procrastination.
In section 2, we're going to go over the founding principles of your business. This is your mission, your vision, and your core values.
Section 3 is administrative maintenance. It's the nitty-gritty of your antiques business. So it's things like getting your tax ID registered, your credit card processing, articles of incorporation, and just the day-to-day operations of your business.
If you're not making money in your antiques business, then it's just a hobby. And so we're going to help you decide how to sell antiques. We're going to introduce you to antique fairs, antique collectives, social media selling, your own online website, as well as container sales.
Section 5 is the basics of inventory. So discussing what your vision is for your inventory, your niche, how to select your point of sale and warehouse management, some really fun topics, as well as visual merchandising.
So in section 6, we're going to deep dive into shipping. Shipping is such an intimidating topic that we have taken it out as its own segment. So we're going to teach you how to receive a container as well as how to safely ship antiques to your clients.
Section 7 is what Tama calls Show Me the Money. This is all about different pricing models, how to price your antiques appropriately, how to photograph them beautifully, list them online, and a discussion on sales cycles.
Last but not least, finally, we're going to talk about you. Up until now, we've been helping you build your business. Now it's time for you to shine. So we're going to talk about social media. We're going to talk about marketing. We're going to talk about advertising and PR, networking, and then we're going to go into some subsections like email marketing and event marketing. We're even going to help you nail your elevator pitch. I'm Tama Clark Haynes, CEO of the Antiques Diva & Co., the world's largest antiques touring company.
I'm Margaret Schwartz, owner of Modern Antiquarian, and I sell antiques for modern life.
And this is the business